United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 274. Objectives of the authority, subject to all legitimate interests including, inter alia, the rights and duties of holders, suppliers and recipients of technology. The authority, with regard to activities in the area, shall ensure that a. On the basis of the principle of equitable geographical distribution, nationals of developing states, whether coastal, landlocked, or geographically disadvantaged, shall be taken on for the purposes of training as members of the managerial, research and technical staff constituted for its undertakings. b. The technical documentation on the relevant equipment, machinery, devices and processes, is made available to all states, in particular developing states, which may need and request technical assistance in this field. c. Adequate provision is made by the authority to facilitate the acquisition of technical assistance in the field of marine technology by states, which may need and request it, in particular developing states, and the acquisition by their nationals of the necessary skills and know-how, including professional training. d. States which may need and request technical assistance in this field, in particular developing states, are assisted in the acquisition of necessary equipment, processes, plant and other technical know-how through any financial arrangements provided for in this convention.